Afternoon, everybody. So yeah, I'm here at Ealing Magistrates Court. Now, interestingly, this is for a phone driver whose case was moved from Monday. It was really confused me because they didn't tell me, and I managed to get out myself. So I'm not sure why I'm here or why he's contesting it. He was watching a video, really clearly handheld. Maybe he's a totter. Maybe he thinks he wasn't guilty, or maybe he's just waiting to see if I attend and will plead guilty when he sees me. We'll find out. I'll chat to you when I come out. He's on his phone, looking down. Get up, get down. Rolling backwards. I'm going to report it to the police. You may think it's a joke, my friend, but I don't. Bloody TikTok or social media. Afternoon, guys. So yeah, I'm out of court. The driver changed his plea to guilty after speaking to the legal advisor. I think the impression I had anyway, was that he thought the old mobile phone law applied with interactive communication being required. And as you'll see in his video, he was just watching or listening to a YouTube debate on his speaker. So that's why he thought he wasn't guilty. So he pled guilty and gave his means form in, and the magistrates came back and gave him a reasonably small fine. I think it was £150 fine, £60 surcharge, and £85 costs, all taking into account his guilty plea, which I thought was very fair. I spoke to the driver and he shook my hand. He struck me as a very kind and decent man. He understood that I'm not doing this personally. And yeah, we just had a good chat. He even offered me a lift if I needed a lift or transport from here, so yeah, that kind of really struck me in the feels a little bit. But yeah, he knows I did it because it's the right thing to do, not because I have anything personally against him. And in contrast with many other cases, the driver admitted, look, I did it and it's my fault. So I respect him very much. He's clearly a smart man, and yeah, he certainly earned my respect. Anyway, case over, case done. I chatted a bit with one of the security officers inside who watches my YouTube. I feel pretty flattered by that. So shout out to you, mate. I'm not going to give your name. Yeah, have a good evening, everyone. See you at the next court case.